Okay, 5:26, Sunday the 18th. Headed into the creek. Went down to a neighbor's place to try my luck down here. We'll see how it goes. Given the success I've been having with this, it's hard to justify starting with anything else. Water temperature's 62 degrees. Gauging station reading just over 2 feet, 2.0 something. So I'm going to call that perfect spring fishing weather. Saw him take it right here at the rock. What is that, second cast? That is just over 11-inch Scioto smallmouth. Very nice. Yep, gotta keep it up a little higher. It's snagging the bottom. Okay, white bass are still up here. Yeah, I think it's probably wise to switch to the lighter spinnerbait for right now. Fortunately, I was headed over there anyway. I don't think I've still got him. That's a nice striper. Stop. Okay, what are we talking here? Just about 9 inches. Okay, up on the slab now. Well, that came out easily. They are a gorgeous fish. So I'm now standing up on that slab. Water is barely to my ankles. But walking out here, it was to my knees at one spot. So there is some depth. Nice. I was gonna say, it felt more like a smallmouth than a white bass. Ooh, he's got a scar on him. What's your guess? Eagle talon or heron talon? Right at 12 inches long. Very thick fish. Chubby little thing. came up to a spot that I definitely want to put a little time on. I'm not that far from the bridge, as you can hear. But I have consistently caught not many, but good fish out of this spot. And I just had a hit on the first cast here. I didn't film for that one. I was just thinking, let's see how it looks. But to get a swipe at it on the first pass is good. That's exactly where the swipe was before. Oh, I got loose. First fish in a while. Shiny little white bass. Hey, come on. He made 6 inches. That knocking is a pileated woodpecker. Okay, we're going to finish out the day here. Back at the honey hole. That felt like some bumps. Okay, I'm pretty sure I've caught this guy before. He's got a sore in his mouth. Oop. Sorry, buddy. There you go. I'd almost expect more crappie than white bass tonight. Clearly not the case. What? Oh, that's got some size to it. That is a nice white crappie. Okay, there we go. $11-inch. Well, sun setting. Haven't caught a fish in a little while. I'm tired. Been a good evening. Thanks for watching.